selling your house for cash if you are relocating. Are you relocating and need to sell your house quickly? Selling your house for cash can be a great option if you're looking to get the best return on your investment. Not only it is fast, but selling your home for cash also allows you to avoid paying costly commissions or fees associated with traditional real estate transactions. In this video, we will discuss why selling your house for cash is an excellent choice when relocation is looming in the near future. You'll get more money. If you sell your house for cash, you likely get more money than if you sell it through a traditional real estate agent. This is because when you sell your house for cash, you're avoiding many of the fees and commissions that come with using a real estate agent in the cash sale. These fees and commissions can add up to thousands of dollars, so selling your house for cash can help you to keep more of the money from the sale. You'll save time. When you sell your house for cash, you also save a considerable amount of time. This is because you won't have to go through the process of listing your house, waiting for someone to make an offer or real estate investors, and then negotiating the terms of the sale. Selling your house for cash will allow you to avoid all of this and simply get the money from the sale as quickly as possible. You won't have to make any repairs. Another benefit of selling your house for cash is that you won't have to make any repairs before selling it. This is because most cash buyers are looking for houses that they can fix up and resell, so they're usually not too picky about the condition of the property. This means that you can sell your house as is and don't have to worry about making any repairs beforehand. You won't have to worry about financing. When you sell your house for cash, you also won't have to worry about financing. This is because most cash buyers will have their own financing in place and will be able to pay for the property outright. This means that you won't have to go through the hassle of getting a loan or dealing with a bank. You can close on the sale quickly. Finally, selling your house for cash will allow you to close on the sale quickly. This is because there's no need to wait for a loan to be approved or for a bank to transfer the funds. Once the buyer has the money in hand, they can close on the sale right away. You won't have to pay any Realtor fees. If you sell your home through a local real estate agent during home sales, you will be required to pay them commission fee, which is typically around 6% of the sale price. However, when you sell your home for cash, you won't have to pay any Realtor fees. This can save you thousands of dollars on the sale of your home compared to selling it through the help of an experienced real estate agent. You won't have to worry about mortgage approval. When you sell your home through a real estate agent, the buyer will need to get mortgage approval in order to complete the purchase. However, when you sell your home for cash, the buyer won't need mortgage approval and sale can be completed much quicker. You can avoid foreclosure. If you are behind on your mortgage payments and are at risk of foreclosure, selling your home for cash may be the best option. When you sell your home to a real estate agent, the foreclosure process can take months or even years. However, when you sell your house for cash, the sale can often be completed in just a few weeks, and this will allow you to avoid foreclosure and keep your credit intact. Conclusion: if you are relocating, selling your house for cash buyer is an excellent choice. You can avoid costly realtor fees and commissions, save time on the process, skip making repairs and property before sale, and won't have to worry about mortgage approval or foreclosure. With all of these benefits in mind, it's no wonder why so many people opt to sell their homes for cash when they need a fast sale due to relocation. Selling your house for cash will help make relocation much easier on you and your family while getting the most out of the money from its sale.